Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Breadcoin on Tonkeeper wallet. So you want to open up your Tonkeeper wallet, and from here you will need to have Toncoin. If you don't have it, you can go ahead and receive it by receiving it from some other exchange. If you have USDT, you can go ahead and swap it to Ton, and also you can go ahead and buy. So you can buy Ton with these methods. For example, you can choose Mercurio, and here you will quickly buy Ton with your Google Pay, Apple Pay, Visa or MasterCard, and that's basically it. After you will have your Ton here, you want to go ahead and click Swap. And now you want to send Ton and select Bread. Here it is. And after this, you just enter the amount which you want to go ahead and send and basically exchange. You will see here some fees, blockchain fees. As you can see, you need to have some Ton in order to pay for the blockchain fees. And that's basically it. After that, just click swap. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.